Wonderful. My name is Ann Fisher. Thanks for having me here. I'm going to read one of my poems. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of refraction. A woman's mind should never be in the gutter, or so they say. Not a chalked cue end on a slate pool table, lining up that shit-sure shot. Lingering too long at no knees, that murky bar straddling the corner, where the moniker stands in for allowed to let yourself go, allowed to put your quarters down, anting yourself in, worthy. The game of angles and drop pocket knocks, backspin, ricochets, lean long across your table. Where then should the proper gal let her mind wander, if not the high balls or lows? Vast felted expanse shooting across that green. The bottom of a stew pot, perhaps? Some pinprick stitch hole of a husband's happy hem? Certainly not, we answer. Call the shot, drop the 8 ball, clean.